So hey everyone, in this video we are going to see how to set up a Rogers eSIM, activate transfer number and SIM eSIM not working. So how to set up a Rogers eSIM? To set up a Rogers eSIM, you must scan a carrier issued QR code or initialize it through your digital account dashboard. Rogers does not widely support native device to device automatic eSIM transfer, meaning you must request a new eSIM voucher when switching phone for activating a new line or using a voucher. Always connect to a stable Wi-Fi network before beginning. If you bought a phone from Rogers with an eSIM pre-activated, simply complete the initial phone setup and follow the automatic network notification prompt. If you are using a physical eSIM voucher, locate its QR code and follow your phone's specific path. Apple, go to setting, then cellular, then add eSIM. Use QR code, scan the voucher code and restart your device. In Samsung, go to setting, then connection, then SIM manager, add eSIM, scan QR code, scan the code and restart your phone. In Google, go to setting, then networks, internet, SIMs, add SIM, download a new eSIM, scan the voucher code and restart your device. Motorola, go to setting, then network and internet, mobile network, add eSIM. Don't have a SIM card, scan QR code, scan the code and restart your phone. For upgrading and transferring your number to an eSIM, you can transfer an existing number using your online account or through direct device to device transfer if eligible. Direct device to device transfer, iPhone only. You can transfer an eSIM directly between iPhones if both devices run iOS 18 or above, are signed into the same iCloud account, have two-factor authentication and passcode enabled, and are close to each other with Bluetooth turned on. Follow the prompt inside the Apple device guide during setup. Method 1 is via the My Roger app. Sign into the My Roger app and choose your mobile number from the top drop-down menu. Tap the phone tab, scroll down and select Change SIM. Enter the security verification code texted on your line and hit Confirm code. Select eSIM. Then choose your installation method. This device. Tap download eSIM and accept to download prompt. Another device, use the target device camera to scan the generated QR code shown on your app screen. Check the confirmation box, select submit twice and restart your device to finish. Method 2 is via Roger website. Sign into your account at rogers.com, select your mobile line and click change SIM. Verify your identity with your texted security code. Select eSIM, then continue to generate a QR code on your computer screen. Click scan QR code, scan it using your phone's camera and follow the network prompt on your device. Check the verification box on your computer, click confirm SIM change, click done, then restart your phone. Third one is for registering a physical eSIM voucher to your existing line. If you already have a physical voucher, install the eSIM onto your device first using the phone's setting menu. Next, update your Rogers profile. Open the My Roger app, navigate to eSIM or change SIM via the phone tab, verify your identity, select physical SIM or eSIM voucher and type in the 20-digit number starting with 89302 from the back of the card. Click submit twice and restart. On rogers.com, go to SIM change, verify your identity, click eSIM, then continue, then enter new eSIM number. Input the 20-digit card number starting with 89302. Select save and continue. Confirm SIM change, then done, then restart. Fourth one is troubleshooting issues, no activation text or damaged SIM. If your phone cannot receive the required SMS verification code because your old SIM card is completely broken or lost, online setup will fail. You must visit a physical Rogers retail store to activate your line. Capacity error. If you get a storage error, navigate to your phone's cellular network setting and turn off or delete an older inactive eSIM profile to clear space for the new profile. Network error or instability. Connectivity drop during downloading can break the configuration file. Check your Wi-Fi, clear any half-installed profile and try the download process via the app or portal. Thank you.